This is an Acura TSX. And you see the positive cover is broken and damaged. It needs to be replaced, and I got one like this. And I'm going to replace it. And this thing is kind of weird. See how this folds together and how does it become like this. And today I'm show you how to do it. First I need to disconnect this. So get a 10 mm. Right, take it out. Next thing I do is you cover the positive terminal so this one keep heating it. It's not good. So I'm going to loosen this here. On there. So I can have more room to remove this plastic cap. Now I have plenty of room to remove this plastic cap. So to remove this piece, there's a tab here. See that? It's holding it. There's a tab there. To open this up, you need to get a flathead screwdriver. Yep, so you open this one up, I'm using another flathead screwdriver. Okay, be careful, don't break it because plastic been around for a while. Yep, 2 out. Last one in the back. Now this thing's open up. So you open up like this, and you can take this out. You open it like that. Takes out the whole thing. Next step is remove this, so I can fit this one in. This thing is so weird, how do you put it in? So you just here, let's go to here, with that part. Okay, so, and this goes here, and then all the wire going between here, and then you just close it up like that. Okay, so I'm gonna do it. You go underneath first. See? And then you close it up. like that. Click. One thing I didn't realize, there's another one here. So I need to take it out. Lucky I didn't break it. Now this thing open up. I didn't know that. It's a lot easier. Need to put this in. Open it up. This here goes in here. Okay, so you go here. Go here. See that? After I push it in, it's all the way in. Now we can close these things. All right. This thing is secure. Remove this. Now I can put this back in here. Oh yeah, don't forget. Move this out of the way. This one. And that one. And the cables, okay? I put this one back here. Click. This one back here. Now the positive back. Yep, all tight. That's how you can replace a broken one like that into a brand new one yourself without paying people like $200-300 to do it. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button. See you later.